What's Up Wednesday? Roxy with Information Referral and Relocation. I've got Luann here with me with Personal Professional Development. She's our financial specialist. I drug her down here to the warehouse so we can get through all of our Christmas stuff because, I mean, it's the 1st of September, but we're under 100 days or almost under 100 days to Christmas.
Exactly.
So, as we're going through cleaning out stuff, I was hoping Luann could tell me some ideas about budgeting, saving, preparing. We've got 3 kids, plus a husband and family. What do you got for me?
So the holiday season are special times, and we do want to take advantage of not just the holidays themselves, but also the Navy Ball coming up in November. In October, November is the Marine Corps Ball. Thanksgiving is right after that.
Yep.
And that's actually one of the most traveled holidays of the year.
Oh, yeah.
And often I think we forget about the dollars that are spent on traveling to visit our families back home. And I don't think that our families sometimes realize some of those things. But it is important as we get into the holiday season that we think of ways that maybe we can not overstretch our budget. I mean, obviously there are times of year when we do kind of challenge ourselves, but we can do some things. And the Personal Financial Management Program is all about planning. And, if you start planning for this right now, you're going to be in a better financial aspect as you move into the new year.
So I like that. Yeah, I mean, Oklahoma wants to see us, right? I feel like Pennsylvania, right, wants to see you. But yeah, I guess start planning now.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should have started planning last month, but planning now, at least having a plan. Okay, what else you got?
So not getting caught up in the hype. A lot of times we think when we're going to the balls that we need to get that new dress. And don't forget, we like our hair done.
Hair and our nails.
Oh, and our nails. Yeah, we can't forget about those. But there's a lot of things on the installation in the community that can support us in avoiding some of those costs. The Officer Spouses Club. And
actually, it's a Spouses Club now, which is even awesome.
Club.
So
does
yeah.
have that wonderful thrift shop here on base that can help us kind of defer some of the costs. They have some great things over there. But also just thinking about the communication of what the expectations are. Like if you are someone that's married or recently married, talk to your service members. Service members talk to your spouse about what those balls are like and maybe what they can kind of do as a couple to prepare.
Yeah,
because communication's the key.
It really is, because think about that. I mean, as a spouse, I'm worried about the dress, the hair, and everything. But the uniform, if I don't understand maybe some of the requirements that the uniform has, those are unexpected costs, I think.
Those are true. And then there's always childcare and some things like that. So depending on when your ball is, maybe your neighbors or some friends, maybe you can kind of co-op some childcare.
I like the way you're thinking.
So those are things that you can do. But also, if you're going to be using credit this holiday season, and we're not saying that credit it's neither good or bad.
Right,
it's how we use it. But don't, again, get caught up in the hype of getting things at maybe a discounted price because you're using that credit if it takes you all of next year to pay it off. If you're using that and paying it off and having a plan to pay it off, credit then is working for you.
Right.
So you have to be kind of aware.
But to have a plan.
I have a plan. That is the key. So I'm really hoping that you'll come out on one of our Financial Fridays, that we will focus a little bit more on holiday and special occasions.
I like that. So again, not just for the Marines, but for the spouses can attend. If you have older children that would understand the concept, that 16 and over kind of needing some help. So 1 October, 19 November, and 3 December would be a great time to come see Luann. Get some one-on-one if you want one-on-one, right?
For sure.
But I love Financial Friday. It's like the perfect little ringtone.
Yeah.
I love it. All right, What's Up Wednesday? Have a great holiday coming, and come see Luann.
For sure.
Bye.